Hi children, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to see multiplication of the binomials in exercise 9.4. Last week what we have seen, multiplication of monomial by a monomial, then monomial by a binomial we have seen. Today we are going to see in our exercise 9.4 multiplication of two binomials. Okay, based on that little bit simplification sums also. Okay, if you see the first section in this exercise, multiply the monomials. What is given? Multiply the monomials. See the first question, 2x plus 5 and 5x minus 3. Sorry, 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. That to be multiplied. See, if you watch here, 2x plus 5 is one more binomial. 4x minus 3 is one more binomial, that to be multiplied. This is our question. What to do? See, I have taken both binomials for multiplication. 2x plus 5 into 4x minus 3 into, there is no symbol also between two expressions. How do you consider? Multiplication only. 2x plus 5 into 4x minus 3. How do you read this binomials together? 2x plus 5 into 4x minus 3. Now, how to multiply? Split the brackets part by part. What to do? First take this term in this binomial. 2x into 4x minus 3. 2x into 4x minus 3 plus 5 into 4x minus 3. How to multiply here? Actually, we have to multiply these two binomials. For that, step by step, we have to do multiplication work. What I did here in the second step, first I have taken first term of the binomial and going to multiply the second binomial. 2x into 4x minus 3 plus 5 into 4x minus 3. Okay, then, understood? Now here in the third step what I did, distributive property wise, 2x is common for both inside parts of the bracket. What to do? 2x into 4x plus into, plus 2x into minus 3. Distributive property based only. Here also we are going to solve. A into b minus c equal to a into b minus plus into minus only finally comes minus a into c. In that basis I have splitted and written 2x into 4x plus 2x into minus 3. Like that here plus 5 into 4x minus 3. How comes? 5 into 4x plus 5 into minus 3 with the sign I took here. Okay, now here in the now we have splitted the binomial. Like which way? Part by part, monomial based. See, 2x into 4x. This is one monomial part. 2x into minus 3. So we have splitted. Now a simple calculation only comes. Then we have to simplify. 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. X into x square. Here plus into minus, 2 3s are 6. 6 into x, 6x minus 6x. Likewise here plus into plus, 5 4s are 20, 20 into x, 20x. 5 3s are 15, plus into minus, so minus 15. Okay, here like terms, again we have to simplify. 8x square, this is only one term with variable x square. There is no pair. So as it is, I have taken down. But here if you watch, both are like terms now, minus 6x plus 20x, like terms. So we can simplify, we can combine them and simplify. So plus 20 minus 6, which is bigger integer wise? Plus is bigger, so subtract them. 20 minus 6, 14. Apply the bigger number sign. So plus 20 minus 6 is equal to plus 14 x. Here constant term minus 15. That's all. So this is the way of multiplying two binomials. See, again I am explaining what I did. Heading is multiply the binomials. Okay, this is one binomial, that is one binomial. Both should be multiplied. What to do? Step by step we have to split the brackets first of all. So I have taken here 2x. I am going to multiply here term wise. Okay, 2x into the second binomial plus 5 into second binomial. Okay, now here if you consider this distributive property wise, 2x into the 4x plus 2 2x into minus 3. Likewise here 5 into 4x plus 5 into minus 3. Then multiply each part. 2 4s are 8, x into x, x square. 2 3s are 6 with minus, so minus 6 into x minus 6x. Here 5 4s are 20, into x 20x minus 15. Like terms means that first to be that terms to be combined and simplified. So plus 20x minus 6x equal to plus 14x. This is the answer for these two binomials. If we multiply both binomials, we are getting the product like this. Understood? Second question come to here. Y minus 8 and 3y minus 4. Multiply the two binomials y minus 8 and 3y minus 4. What comes? The same procedure. Y minus 8 into 3y minus 4. Again I am telling there is no sign between up two binomials. How do you consider multiplication? So how do you read it first of all? Y minus 8 into 3y minus 4. Okay, what to do? Take the first term of the first binomial and multiply the second binomial. So y into 3y minus 4. This fully. And then minus 8 into 3y minus 4. So y into 3y minus 4. Second part of the first binomial. What is that? Minus 8. Minus 8 into 3y minus 4. Okay. Now distributive wise. Y into 3y. 3 into y. Y into 3y. What comes? Here coefficient is 1, no? 1 into 3. 3. Y into y, y square. Okay. Plus into minus, minus. 4 into y, 4y. I missed one step. No problem. If you understand, you can reduce the steps yourself. So try to solve quickly without long steps, more steps. Okay. See. It comes like this. Yes or no? 3y into y, 3y square, plus into minus, minus, 4 into y, 4y. Okay, come to here. Likewise, minus 8 to be multiplied with the given two parts. How comes? Minus 8 into 3. Plus into minus, minus, 8 3s are 24 into y, 24y. Again, minus into minus plus 8 4s are 32. So by y I have multiplied the given two parts. That time I am getting these two binomial. By minus 8 I have multiplied these two parts. At the time I got this answer. Okay, now what to do? We have to simplify the answers. At the time for 3y square there is no pair. So as it is I have taken down 3y square. But if you watch the middle two terms, minus 4y, minus 24y, both are like terms. So we can combine and simplify. So minus 24, minus 4. Same sign in addition, what to do? You have to add them and apply the same sign. So minus 24, minus 4, totally minus 28 with the variable y. So minus 28y plus 32. That's all. So like this, remaining few questions are there. One more question I am doing. Okay, remaining you have to take practice. Copy down in your classwork neatly. See, sixth question I am trying. Okay, what is given? 3 by 4 a square, 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square and 4 into a square minus 2 by 3 b square. 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square and 4 into a square minus 2 by 3 b square. This to be multiplied. Okay, what to do? Up to this, in the previous two questions we have seen, if you watch the variable, that coefficients are whole numbers based. Say 1, 3, like that. But here, fractional coefficient is given. But that's all different between the previous two sums and this one. But method is same only. Okay? So 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square into 4, okay, right, 4 into a square minus 2 by 3 b square. Okay, here additionally 1 4 is coming outside, that to be inserted first of all, and then by this we have to multiply this. Okay, so 3 by 4 a square plus 3 b square into, no need to enter the symbol anyhow. First of all, bring it. See here, one more part is coming extra, no? That to be inserted. 4 into a square minus 2 by 3 b square. How do you read it, pa? 4 into a square minus 2 by 3 b square. This 4 is common for both inside part. So insert. So 4 into a square, what comes? 4 a square. Plus into minus, minus. 4 2s are 8. 8 by 3 b square. So we have taken this 4 inside. Clear? Now this is one binomial, this is another binomial, both should be multiplied as usual. Okay, what to do? Take the first term of the first binomial and then multiply with the second binomial. That means what comes? 3 by 4 in a square into the whole second binomial, no? So 3 by 4 a square into 4 a square minus 8 by 3 b square. Clear? Again, which part to be taken? The second term of the first binomial multiply by second binomial. So plus 3 into 3b square plus 3b square into 4a square minus 8 by 3b square. Clear, children? What I did up to this? See, we have to multiply the two given binomials, but comparing the previous two sums and here, which is different, means there are whole number wise coefficient given. Here fractional coefficient also mingled. One more thing to be noticed means 1 4 is coming outside. First of all, before going to multiply this by that, what we have to do? Multiply the outside part to inside. So simplify little bit extra, just to take this bracket comes inside between the two things. How do you consider? Means multiplication. So 4 into this. So first of all, take the 4 inside in product way. So 4 into a square, 4a square, plus into minus, minus 4 into that part. 4 into 2, 8 by 3 b square. Now this into this. Clear? First part as it is into second part. Here as usual, what to do? Take the first part, multiply with the second binomial. That time this part will come. 3 by 4 a square into 4a square minus 8 by 3 b square. Second, this part plus 3b square into the whole second binomial taken. Clear? What comes? Multiply this. So 3 by 4 a square into, now which to be multiplied? This into this and then this into this. Clear? That means here if you take this two parts, how comes? 3 by 4 a square into 4 a square. 3 by 4 a square into 4 a square. 3 by 4 a square into 4 a square. Second part, this into this. So plus into minus, minus 3 by 4 a square into 8 by 3 b square. Clear? Come to here. Here if you multiply these two, what comes? Plus 3b square into 4a square. This into this, this into this. Okay, 3b square into 4a square. Okay, plus into minus, minus 3b square into 8 by 3 b square. Clear, children? How this step is coming? See, this distributive wise, a into b minus c equal to a into b minus a into c. Based on that, these two parts are coming. Likewise, come to second part, this into this minus this into this. Okay? Okay, now multiply a square into a square, a power 4. Base are same, power to be multiplied as per the laws of exponents. About that last week class itself I told that a square means you can add the same powers. Okay, same variable with the same power, that are called like terms. Like terms coming in product section, how do you multiply? Same basis means power can be added in the product section. Okay, that means what about the coefficient? This is 4 by 1, like that. This 4, usually how do you multiply the fractions? If there is any possibility, we can divide them. So 1 4 is 4, 1 4 is 4, which is remainder here 3 into 1, 3 by. So 3 into a square into a square, totally a power 4. Okay, what I did, both 4's I have cancelled, which is remainder 3a square into a square. So totally 3a power 4 minus here a square into b square, b square, because both are unlike terms, as it just we can keep them together in product, that's all. But if you consider their coefficients, we can simplify. 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3, 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. So which is remainder in the coefficient category? Here 1 by 1, there 2 by 1, finally 2 into a square b square. Okay, 2 into a square b square, both are like terms, unlike terms, so as it is we can keep them together. Now plus into plus, plus only, 3 4s are 12, a square into b square, that means b square into a square, b square a square. Come to here, plus into minus, minus, here 3 by 1 in the fractional form means 3 by 1, here this 3 will be cancelled, which is remainder 8 only. 8 into b square, both are like terms, so we can add their powers in product section. So b square into b square, b power 4. Don't forget, don't keep as it is, b square like that. Like terms in the product section, we can add their powers. So b square into b square, nothing but b power 4. Okay, now 3a power 4. For that there is no pair, as it is I have taken. But if you consider this, a square, b square, a square, commutativity, both are same only. A into b, b into a, both are same only. Commutativity is suitable for integers under multiplication. So both are like terms only, we can combine them and simplify. So minus 2, here plus 12. If you simplify, what comes? Plus 10. Plus 10 a square b square combined. For b power 4 also there is no pair, as it is we can bring it down, that's all. So what is this answer for? 3a power 4 plus 10 a square b square minus 8b power 4. This is the answer for this question. So in this basis only you have to solve. Remaining 2 questions are there, have to solve neatly in your classwork. Okay, second section also product topic only, the same way binomial by a binomial. Okay, copy down in your classwork neatly. See, second section, find the product. Find the product. Okay, few questions are there. Say I am putting first one, 5 minus 2x, 5 minus 2x into 3 plus x, have to solve. 5 minus 2x into 3 plus x. What to do? As usual only, how do you multiply, pa? Take down both 5 minus 2x into 3 plus x. First of all, you have to multiply this first part 5 by the second binomial whole. So 5 into 3 plus x. Second part with the sign you have to take minus 2x into the whole binomial. Okay, minus 2x into 3 plus x. Here 5 into 3 plus x minus 2x into 3 plus x. Okay, now insert 5 into 3 15 plus into plus plus 5 3s are 15 plus into plus plus 5 into x 5x. A into b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c. Likewise here what comes? Like this, minus 2x into 3 minus 2x into x. Okay, so minus into plus, minus 2 3s are 6 into x 6x, minus into plus, minus 2 into x like terms. So we can combine in the product section. How to combine them? By adding their powers. So x into x square, x power 1, x power 1, nothing but x power 2. Simply how do you tell? X square. So what I did here, 5 3s are 15 plus into plus plus 5 into x 5x minus into plus minus 2 3s are 6 into x 6x plus into minus minus 2 into x 2x square. Simplify 15 plus 5x minus 6x, both are like terms, so we can combine in addition way. Minus 6 plus 5, which is greater? Minus 6 only greater, so minus 1x will come. Simply we can write that. No need to put their coefficient here. If you not enter also, it gives meaning minus 1 only. Minus 6 plus 5 become minus 1. Minus 1 into x minus x minus 2x square. This is the answer for this. Simplest way only. In this basis you can solve the remaining questions also. See, one more question I am doing. See, third question. A square plus b into a plus b square. What is given? A square plus b into a plus b square. How to multiply? What to do? See, take down first a square plus b into a plus b square. Okay, here take the first part, a square into the whole second binomial, a plus b square. Come to what to do next? Take the second part of the first binomial, plus b into the whole, a plus b square. Understood? What I did, ma? We have to multiply both binomials. For that, what I did? First part of the first binomial I took. With that, the second binomial fully, a square into a plus b square plus b into a plus b square. Okay. Now this to be inserted in multiple way. Okay, a square into a means nothing but a power 1. What to do? How do you simplify? A cube. A square into a power 1 is equal to a power 2 plus 1, that means 3, a cube plus into plus plus a square into b square, both are different, no? So just keep them together, a square b square. What I did, both are like we see here, variables are same. At the time we can add their powers. In the multiple, again I am telling, this is a formula we will see deeply in exponents, laws of exponents chapter based. Okay, just I have taken that formula and applied here. If in the product, if the bases are same, power can be added. In general, how comes means a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. This is a formula we are going to see deeply in that chapter. Which chapter? X1, laws of exponents, exponents and powers. Okay, there we will see, already we have seen last 7th standard also. Just I am recalling here, in multiple, here in this exponents, this is called base, this is called power. In multiple, if the bases are same, power to be added, like this. formula is there, that in that chapter, that formula only I am going to apply here. Okay, for any integer a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. In the product, if the bases are same, power can be added. So in that basis I have took here a square into a power 2 plus 1 3. Clear children? About this we will see deeply in that chapter. See, a square into a cube plus, here variables are different, no, just keep them together, a square into b square, a square b square, like that here, plus into plus plus, b into a ba, plus b into b square, b power 1 b square. So bases are same, power can be added, so b cube, b power 1 into b square, nothing but b cube, a cube, a square b square, ba plus b cube. That's all, we can't simplify. See, for a cube there is no pair, b cube also there is no pair. If you consider here, this is a square b square, here ab, and nothing but ba. So all are unlike terms, just keep them simply. This is the final answer for this question. Okay pa? Like this another 2 questions are there, you try. Okay, third section is simplify. What is that? Simplify. Just in binomial based, in product section, little bit extra term is given, that we have to simplify. See, third section, simplify. Okay, first question, x square minus 5 into x square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. X square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. Up to this they told us to multiply the two given binomials. There is no extra part. Okay, but in this section heading is simplified. Two binomials in product section given and then 25 to be added with this. Understood children? What is this meaning? Binomials, product of the two binomials given. See, already I told you there is no sign between the two expressions. How do you consider? Multiplication. This into this. So nothing but multiplication of the two binomials given. First of all, we have to solve this part and then 25 to be added with the answer. Okay, see the heading simplification, simplify. So what to do? First of all, multiply both as usual. What to do? X square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25 as it is, bring it down up to the last step. Okay, here what to do? This into the whole binomial, no? So x square into first part. What is the procedure for multiplying both binomials? First part multiply by the second binomial and then second part multiply by the second binomial. Okay, slowly take, it will come correctly. X square into x plus 5. Second part minus 5 into second part fully x plus 5 plus 25 as it is, bring it. Now this into this, x square into x, we know well, x is cube, plus into plus plus, x square into 5, 5x square. Here coefficient of the variable x square is 1. So 1 into 5, 5, 5 into x square, 5x square. X square into x cube, plus into plus plus, 5x square. Clear children? Come to the second part. Plus into, minus into plus minus, 5 into x, 5x. Minus into plus minus, 5 5s are 25. Plus 25 as it is, bring it down. Okay, simplify this, x cube, no pair as it is, bring it down. For 5x square also there is no pair, bring it down. Minus 5x also alone, so bring it down. but plus 20 plus 25 minus 25 both will be cancelled. So final answer for this simplification is this only, x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. Clear children? What I did, first of all heading is simplification. Here up to this previous two sections, just multiplication of two binomials given, we did that work only. But in this section, just to simplify, one more part is added here. Okay, what to do? Before going to touch this part, first of all, we have to simplify here multiplication of binomial by a binomial. Simplify up to this, we got it. With that 25 to be added. Here in this expression constant term is minus 25 is coming. So thus that and this to be cancelled. The remainder part means x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. Understood? 8 questions are there. Let me put another 2 questions. You try remaining 2 questions. Okay, remaining few questions in your classwork neatly. So second one, I am putting fourth one, little bit bigger. Okay, fourth one, what is given? A plus b into c minus d. A plus b into c minus d plus a minus b into c plus d plus 2 into AC plus BD. Little bit bigger level. Okay, what is the question? Again I am telling, A plus B into C minus D plus A minus B into C plus D plus 2 into AC plus BD. Okay, see, heading is simplify. Okay, how much to be simplified? First of all, this part. Actually, what are this? Product of binomial by a binomial. So multiplication part is given. This is one part. And then here also binomial by a binomial, product only. So here is one product work, multiplication work. Here is one multiplication work. And then third also, just one part only, monomial part only. Sorry, binomial one binomial expression is given here. See here, if you consider the 3 parts, this is one part, this is one part, this is another part. What you are observing here? Binomial by a binomial, binomial by a binomial. But here is just binomial only with the coefficient outside, little bit smaller work. Okay, there is no more binomial for that term, just one binomial only given, but additionally that 2 is outside, that to be inserted. Clear? This is the procedure, step by step solve. Okay, take the first part, A plus B into C minus D. What answer will come? A into C, okay, A into C minus D plus B into C minus D. Correct? See, A into first part by the second binomial, A into C minus D plus B into C minus D. What comes? Again, distributivity based. A into C minus A into D. AC minus AD. Am I correct? A into C AC plus into minus minus A into D AD. Okay? Plus B into C BC plus into minus minus B into D BD. So first binomial answer, first part answer is this one. Keep. Now take second part up to this. Okay. A minus B into C plus D. A minus B into C plus D. What comes? A into C plus D. A into C plus D minus B into C plus D. B into C plus D. Simplified. What comes? A into C, AC, plus into plus plus, A into D, AD. Come to here, minus into plus minus, B into C, BC, minus into plus minus, B into D, BD. This is the second part answer. Okay, keep it. Okay, come to here. Second part I took. Now third part, 2 into AC plus BD. AC plus BD. 2 into AC plus BD. Here what comes? 2 into AC, 2AC plus into plus plus, 2 into BD, 2BD. This is the third part answer. First part I took these two binomials and multiplied. At the time I got this answer. Second part also two binomials product only given. At the time I got answer this. Third part answer is this one. All the answers what I am going to do? Add. Okay, this plus that. So this answer plus that answer plus that. Okay, adding the three answers, what comes? First answer is this one now. So AC minus AD plus BC minus BD. AC minus AD plus BC minus BD. Here second part, AC plus AD minus BC minus BD. This is the second part. Okay, first part answer is AC minus AD plus BC minus BD. Second part answer is AC plus AD minus BC minus BD. What about the third part answer? 2AC. See, actually we are going to add only no. So in addition, column wise I have arranged all the like terms. See, AC line, AD line, BC line, BD line. Okay, that means 2AC where comes? Here, 2AC. Okay, plus 2BD, BD comes here, 2BD, 2AC plus 2BD. This fully to be added. First part answer is this one, second part answer is this one, third part answer. In the first part I have taken with the bracket, no? So how comes AC minus AD? No problem, as it is. Okay, here remove the bracket multiplying by plus into BC plus BC only. Okay, plus into minus BD only, correct only, there is no changes. So vertically I have arranged it. See, AC, AD, BC, BD line. Okay, all the like terms I have combined in vertical position and then I am going to add now. So what comes? Plus AC plus 2AC plus 1 plus 1 plus 2, totally plus 4AC. Okay, plus minus 1AD plus 1AD automatically cancel, nothing but 0 AD, plus 1BC minus 1BC cancel, gets over, minus BD minus 1 totally minus 2 plus 2 gets over. Clear what I did? Plus 1 totally plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4AC. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, minus 1 minus 2. With that one more plus 2 to be added. So minus 2 plus 2 gets over. So final answer for this question is 4AC. Therefore, the given answer for this answer is 4AC. Understood, children? So little bit bigger level only. Just to slowly take part by part of the expressions, find their product and then add adding place, what to do? Like terms wise, if you arrange, your work will be easier. So final answer for this question is plus 4ac. Okay. Copy down in your classwork neatly. See one more question. Seventh one, 1.5x minus 4y, 1.5 decimal coefficient is coming, so I took this sum for explaining. Okay, 1.5x minus 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 binomial multiple by trinomial. Okay, and then minus 4.5x plus 12y. Minus 4.5x plus 12y. Clear? 1.5x minus 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. How do you solve? Say, so binomial multiple by the trinomial. So what to do? 1.5x into 1.5x plus, okay, take fully, 1.5x minus 4y into this 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. I have taken this multiplication part only. I didn't touch this. Let it be. We will take it later. Okay, now we are going to multiply the binomial by a trinomial. So part by part. First take the first part and multiply the whole. Then take second part and multiply the whole. At the time what comes? 1.5x into the whole. 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. Likewise, minus 4y into the whole. 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. Okay. See children, I took the first part only, multiplication work only I have taken. I didn't touch these parts. I am going to add this at last. Okay. So here what comes? This into this plus this into this plus this into this, distributivity. So 1.5 into 1.5 plus into plus 1.5x into 4y plus 1.5x into 3. Okay, next likewise here this into this, this into this, this into this. Okay, minus 4y into 1.5x. Taking inside minus symbol for avoiding confuse. This is the first part. You are going to take now second part. At the time in between plus symbol comes. So with the sign you take outside inside. Sorry. So minus 4y into 1.5x again plus minus 4y into 1.5x, then minus 4y into plus 4y, again plus minus 4y into 3, minus 4y into 1.5x, minus 4y into 4y, minus 4y into 3. Y again I am checking slowly. Suppose while unknownly, if you leave any one part, the final answer will be collapse. It will come wrongly. So that just a few seconds check before going to calculate. Clear? Whether we have taken all the parts in proper way or not. Okay? So 1.5 into 1.5, 15 15s are 225, no, here one decimal digit, there one decimal digit, so finally what comes? 2.25. okay, 15 15s are 225, here one decimal digit, there one decimal digit, so integral whole number decimal part ways 2 digit after we have to move the point, this and all you know well in decimal category we have learnt. So anyhow I am telling 1.5 into 1.5, 2.25, x into x square. Likewise here 15 fours are 60 with one decimal digit, so 6.0, nothing but 6 xy. What, how comes, so how to simplify the coefficient? 1.5 into 4, nothing but 6.0 can be written as 6, so 6 into xy, 6xy plus 1.5 into 3, 15 3s are 45, that means 4.5x plus into up to this plus part over, come to here, plus into, sorry, minus into plus, minus 4, 1.5 into 4, 6 only, 15 4s are 60, no, so 6.0, nothing but 6, x into y, xy, y into x is equal to x into y, as per the commutativity of multiplication it is correct. Come to here, plus into minus, minus 4 4s are 16, y like terms, so add their powers, y square, plus minus into plus, minus 4 into 3, 12 y. Clear? So this answer is, this much is coming. For this no part, plus 6xy minus 6xy, both will be cancelled, plus 4.5x, that's all. So for this x square part there is no term, no pair, plus 6xy minus 6xy cancelled, 4.5x also has no pair, likewise these two also. So the remainder is here 2.25x square plus 4.5x minus 16y square minus 12y. Sum over? No, I have taken the product part only and then solved. My answer is this much. 2.25x square plus 4.5x minus 16y square minus 12y. The remainder I left another two parts. So that I am going to add with this. What is there? So see again I am telling this two product answer is this one. Up to this is coming. Now I am going to add these two terms. What are that? Minus 4.5x. Okay, minus 4.5x plus 12y. If you want here itself you can take minus 4.5x plus 12y. If you want, it is not necessary to take all the steps. Finally, I have added. Suppose if you want, step by step, you can bring it down. Okay. That part only here. Again, just to check any like terms are there. Plus 4.5x minus 4.5x. So, we can cancel. Okay. Minus 12y plus 12y. Cancel. So, which are the remainder part? 2.25x square minus 16y square. So, final answer for this is, for this simplified, 2.25x square minus 16y square. Okay, what I did, the question is this and this minus that plus this. Okay, we have to simplify. Actually, what is given? Binomial product with the trinomial. So, multiplication work is coming up to this. Okay, I have multiplied this binomial by this trinomial. At the time, my answer is this much. With that, I am going to simplify these two parts. At the time, like terms and all I have combined. Already in this category, plus 6xy minus 6xy gone. The remainder part, if after adding this, which are going to cancel, plus 4.5x and this. Okay, one more cancel part means minus 12y plus 12y. So which is the remainder part means x square part and y square part. So our final answer is this one. Clear children? Little bit bigger level only. You have to solve step by step. First of all, multiplication work do properly, and then which is remainder that to be added or subtracted according to the sign what is given in the question. Okay, that's all. Exercise 9.4 over. Whichever I left, you have to try in your classwork note neatly. Okay, the next identity. What we are going to see means exercise 9.5 based little bit introduction I am giving in this session. What is it means? Identity. Actually, what is identity? It is an equation true for every values of the variable in it. Actually, what is identity? Identity, see what I am telling. In exercise 9.4, we have seen multiplication of binomial by a binomial, binomial by a trinomial. Next, I am going to teach about identity. Okay, just a few minutes. Based on that only we are going to see next exercise 9.5. Okay, identity means what? What is identity? Identity is an equation which is true for every values of the variable in it. But equation means it is true for only certain values of the variable. So I am going to compare both things, and then just a little bit few more standard identities given in our book that I will teach you. Based on that, the remaining exercise we are going to see in next class. Okay. See, identity means, see, identity, what we are going to see? Identity. Okay, identity, here equation. Okay, what is the difference between both? This is also equation, that also equation only. But what is the difference between both means? It is true for every values of the variable in it. But that is the true equation for only certain values of the variable in it. Just I am going to compare both parts, and then some identities I am going to show here. Okay. See, a plus 1, for example, a plus 1 into a plus 2 is equal to a square plus 3a plus 2. This is one identity they given. Okay. Here also, a square plus 3a plus 2. A square plus 3a plus 2 is equal to 132 given. This is one equation. Yeah, actually what is equation? Two expressions on both sides containing equal sign middle is called an equation. Yeah, this is one expression, this is another expression, both are connected by equal sign. So it is called an equation. This also, this is one expression, that is one expression, both are connected by equal sign. Equation only, this and all I taught clearly in second chapter itself, linear equation itself. Now what I am going to show here, the difference between both identity and the equation. Here identity is the standard one. That means for whatever value you apply for the variable, it gives the same. Okay, but that gives only the certain values, for the certain values of the variable only. So just I am going to give one example based. If you take a value here, 10, what comes? A value 10, 10 plus 1, here 10 plus 2, here a square, 10 square means 100, no, plus 3 into a value 10, no, 3 into 10, 30 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11, 10 plus 2, 12, 11 12 are 132 only, no, 100 plus 30 plus 2, 132. Coming correctly or not? Okay, I am giving another value. Suppose a value 0 means what comes here? 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 2. 0 plus 1, 1 into 0 plus 2, 2. 1 into 2, 2. Left hand side answer is 2. Here a square, a value 0 means a square what comes? 0 square, nothing but 0. 3 into 0, 0 plus 2. Final answer at right hand side also 2, coming correctly. So whatever value give for the identity, it gives the, it shows you equality. So that only we are telling identity definition. Identity is an equation which is true for every values of the variable in it. Come to here, equation. Here a value 0 means what comes? 0 square, nothing but 0. 3 into a, 0. 3 into 0, 0 only, no, plus 2. But right hand side 132. 132. 2 is not equal with 332. Clear? So it will not show you by taking all the values equally. For the certain values of the variable only it shows equality. So this is equation, this is identity. See, when it will come equally means for giving a value 10. A equal to 10 means what comes? A square 100 plus 3 into a, nothing but 3 into 10, 30 plus 2. Right hand side 132. 100 plus 30 plus 2, 132, same as 132. So what is the difference between both? Equation is true for only the certain values of the variable in it. But identity is true for every values of the variable in it. Clear? So some standard identities mentioned in our book that I am going to teach you. See, some standard identities mentioned in our book. What are the identities means? A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. What is that? A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second identity, a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third identity, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Fourth identity, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So four identities. See, again I am reading. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second identity, a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Fourth one, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So these are the standard identities given in our book. Based on this identities, that means using these identities only, we are going to see in our next exercise sums. Okay, 9.5 sums. Okay, now 9.4 based worksheet will come. You have to take practice side by side, complete your classwork also. Thank you.